Hi, kawaii besties. Hi, it's me, Angel, and today's vlog is all about a cozy and aesthetic shopping day. Cute finds, mini hauls, and sprinkle of self-care moments. So yes, let's start. So I decided to start with the haul first. Like, of course, I'm going to start with the haul, and then I will show you what I did in the mall. So I got this cute mug, like it looks like a cat, and yes, I really like the color, so I just bought it and it looks so cute. And then I bought these kawaii sticky notes, and yeah, I really love this color, the purple and the pink. So let's start with the purple. I like the details in the sticky notes, and yes, it looks so cute. And I fear to use them because they are just so cute and I don't want them to be finished, but it's totally fine. So this has 4 memo pads. So this is the first one, and this is the second one. Now this pink one, and yes, it is super cute, and pink is my favorite color, so I just bought it. And just look at that cute rabbit and that pink strawberry milkshake. Okay, that gives such a pretty vibe. Okay, let's see. It also have 4 memo pads with such a cute detail. And now I bought this cute pink diary for 2025. And yes, I'm going to do a lot of journals in this as well. You know, like last time I used to have the blue colored, but this time I bought the pink colored one. And yes, I also decorated the first page, and I didn't record it. Yes, because I was too excited to use it. And I have showed this the first page at the starting of the video. You can just see it again. And yes, the page quality is very good. So this is an acrylic organizer or a transparent organizer, and yes, I have a lot of stationery, so I want, in an organized way. So I just bought one more organizer because I also bought so many sticky notes, and I have shown you. And yes, I really like the quality of this. It's so strong. I will keep this organizer carefully to prevent the scratches and cracks, because I just hate, that scratches and cracks on organizer like these. I bought one more pack of sticky notes. I really like the pattern, so I just bought it. And yes, it's my favorite color again. And it is like 100 sheets. I even bought this cute keychain. So this is pattern paper, and yes, it's used in journaling or anything. Like you can even make diaries with this while you are doing crafts or DIYs. And I really like the patterns. It's so aesthetic, and we can use it in journaling, scrap filing. And now these Pinterest tree socks, which have bunnies on them, and it reminds me of new jeans because I'm a very big fan of new jeans, a very big fan. And now I'm organizing my stuff. Sorry, besties, because the asthma was not that good. And now I'm going to show you what I did in the mall. Just look at the organizer, and yes, organizing stuff. I'm taking some stuff with me. I came to my favorite shop, and yes, I saw some plushies, but I didn't bought them because I have so many plushies at my home. I got some corn for myself. Just look at this, it's so pretty. And just look at this cat. Alvin's our vintage clock. Okay, kawaii besties, that's all for today. Bye. I hope you liked the vlog.